Today, it's easy to send money to anyone, from anywhere, thanks to the startups in financial technology that have made this possible and helped digitize the world as a whole. Today, we'll talk about Chime, a new company that is quickly becoming one of the most popular financial technology companies. Chime lets people set up free checking and savings accounts with direct deposits and a debit card. The Cash App is another financial technology or fintech startup that is doing very well in the market right now. This app lets people send money to each other directly from their phones. You can either send the money straight to your friend's cash account or use their Visa debit card to get cash. The only requirement is that your Cash App should be linked to a real bank account. But can you send money from Chime to Cash App? Well, the answer is yes. Here's how. How to send money from Chime to Cash App? Step 1. Open your Cash App. Go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. The next step is to link your Chime bank account to your Cash App. So find the Add Bank option and click on it. After this, you will get options of popular banks to select from. Search for Chime and tap on the Chime icon. Next, log into your Chime account with your banking details and login credentials. Step number 3 should link your Chime bank account to your Cash App and voila! You are ready to send cash to your peers from the Cash App. Send your selected amount to your peer using your Cash App, with money being deducted from your linked Chime bank account. Once your Chime bank account is linked to your Cash App, and you are ready to send money across to your friends and family, or anyone for that matter, try sending $1 first. This is only to check if everything is working fine or not. Once you have this satisfaction that everything is going as planned, then probably you can try and send a bigger amount. How much money can you send from your Cash App? Well, if you are not a verified Cash App user, the limitation is set to $1,000 per month sending and receiving. Please note that only people over the age of 18 can be verified on the Cash App. However, once you provide the company with your SSN and other relevant details, your cash account can be verified, and the limit can be increased significantly.